What if the most powerful investment tool isn't a spreadsheet or a financial model, but curiosity, furnished with a series of well-crafted, thoughtful questions? For us at Baillie Gifford, questions form a fundamental basis of our investment edge. They are key to unlocking insight into our investments' long-term growth prospects. We frame them using our patient, thoughtful and perennially forward-looking investment mindset. At their heart, they're designed not to overanalyze the past, but to look forward with a genuine quest to determine what will happen over the next 5 to 10 years and beyond. We craft our questions so that we can imagine what might go right, not wrong. Our questions are therefore tilted towards optimism, asking the what if and positive questions helps us to make the skewed nature of equity markets work in our clients' favour. Our approach considers more esoteric and harder to define topics, really enabling us to imagine a business's long-term prospects rather than the machinations of this or next quarter's numbers. You'll hear us asking about business fundamentals, such as a company's market opportunity, returns, capital deployment, and the sustainability of its competitive advantage. Equally important, though, are the intangible notions of culture, adaptability, and social and environmental factors that could affect long-term growth. Our questions are part of interconnected matrices or frameworks, and they work as robust and repeatable tests. We use our question frameworks before we invest and then again and again over time. Ultimately, our questions give us a valuable advantage in understanding a company's attitude and its behaviours. They help us to distinguish between empty rhetoric and sincere intent. There will always be unknowns and grey areas. We'll inevitably make some investment mistakes, but going that extra mile to understand a company and the questions that we ask of it is integral to our approach for a reason. It gives us a much better view of a company's potential long-term success. So what if the key to unlocking long-term growth isn't in a formula, but it's in an inherently open mindset that asks the right questions with genuine curiosity? For us at Baillie Gifford, these are the questions that form the crux of our investment philosophy and are absolutely central to unearthing those companies that are poised for long-term growth.